My people, I bring this our sister DYNA EKWUEME. Yes, please, all the dynamites. Sometimes if I draw video, I could receive some. I not hate DYNA, and I love him, I love her, and I like her. Okay. Anytime we bring come out for social media, now to correct us or to join us happy. Okay. I watched DYNA last night. Say that lady, yes, she broke down. I can put it like that. DYNA broke down. She come on live stream yesterday. Let's watch it together. I take some part inside. Let's watch it together.
Long time to you people, or just 3 months. It may feel like a long time to you people, or it may feel like a relatively short time, but I've just been here 3 months. And you can imagine, the shock of doing a lot of things alone. Like, this is the first time I'm staying alone with my 3 children, like, for the most part of this marriage. My husband goes to work. 80% of the time, I'm inside with these children, bathing, talking, all the shouting, all the peeing, all the pooing, all the cooking, all the arranging, sweeping. It is no fucking joke. It is no joke. So imagine someone telling you, okay, say for instance, you walk me. Imagine having to wake up in the morning. I bath some jachi. I bath nedema. I bath yagazie. I feed some jachi. Okay, I don't feed some jachi. No, morning I feed them because they have to take cereal. And these children, they've not started taking cereal by themselves. They eat every other thing by themselves apart from cereal and swallow. Sometimes I do give them swallow if it's okra. If it's egusi or oha, they can eat by themselves. So every morning I feed 3 children. Then after that, before afternoon, I have to start preparing because it's not when the kids are hungry. You now start running around for food or when this one is shouting or crying. I have to now start preparing for afternoon food. If there's something to defrost, that's the time. If there's something to warm, if there's something to cook, I do that. Then after that afternoon food, then you have to send them back. In between all this, there's a child needing your attention. Mommy, I want this. I want to put, maybe someone has put on the floor. You have to go and clean it up. Or maybe it's, it's no joke. It is no joke. Stop complaining and enjoy your children is a blessing to be. Please, 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 I beg, I beg, I beg. See, I'm not in the mood to block this night. I'm here to rave and rant. If this life is not for you, please leave. I've had
My people, I hope una hear from her. I'll fast forward down to where she for attack somebody when they try to correct her. You can't just say you just big, 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 big. Say receive correction. That lady, that person, she even say you be lady. That person they say I be dynamite. I be dynamite fans. She just was attacking the lady, attacking the person. No, don't say that. Don't tell me that. My sister DYNA EKWUEME. If you come across this my china, I will still tell you the truth. That thing when you do last night, you're not supposed to attack that person. The way when you say they see your own, the person not just attack you, say no complain. No, my children now gift from God. DYNA EKWUEME, I talk to you, sis. You forget when you get your third belly, when you dey pregnant for your child, when some YouTuber, when they dey abroad, when they say, oh, then I don't get belly again, I too quick, oh, your fans come for those people. Your lover come for those people. You even write, say me they will make the report to one Pexy channel. The lady come outside and apologize to you. Why that lady he talk to you that time? Now this thing when you they complain about, now may it not come out, may it not happen. Say for our country, Nigeria, if we just pass my neighbor small, we are entitled to harbor house girl. We can hire house girl. For that Saudi Arabia, when you say a lot of our people they go there. You for carry one of your nanny now, if you get the money. You for carry one of your nanny follow body, my sister. You for carry one of you for carry one of your nanny follow body. You for carry one of your nanny follow body when you they go Saudi Arabia. Because people they there when they dey Saudi Arabia, when they get house girl. You know be like Nigeria just because of say you can feed, you can afford 15,000 or 30,000 or 50,000. You just pack 2 house girl. Now convert that 50,000 to Saudi Arabia money. Now change. Now you not fit. Now you come online stream. You they complain how you not fit. How you go feed you are complaining about your 3 children, your beautiful children when God give a gift you. Then this lady even tell you say I be die-hard fans of Nigeria DYNA EKWUEME. I be DYNA EKWUEME fans. I be dynamite fans. You say no, she can't be your dynamite. Your dynamite not fit correct you, sis. Your subscriber don't fit correct you. Your love, people when they will come, people comment section come go they bully them. They don't fit correct you. Lady just correct you, say sis don't complain. That lady know why I tell you because this the same matter. It come on social media. They say, why this lady they talk about your pregnancy? Why this lady they talk about now? God, you be married woman. Have you forgot all those things? Why you married woman? Why you they complain now? Dynama. Dinah. Why you they complain now? Say, I feed my ah. If you can't get husband, when you go come back from work, because that your husband, you know they do like that. You dey there by yourself, talk and say your husband they follow you, they cook. Now cook bunch food for fridge. The day when your husband know they go work. If you can't marry man, now come this say now all man for this abroad say they cook. Now come marry man. The man go work, he go come back. He own, he no do anything. The day of he rest, they go rest. He go they tell you say, oh, those children they disturb me. Oh, take care of those children now. This your husband. If the day of the off day, he go assist you. The day of the off day, he go take care of the home. If he day house, he go help you take care of the children. Why you they complain? When I see you yesterday, so you they complain, break my heart. Why? Why you they complain? Complain about your children. You they bath your children. Now I mean they say give birth to the one when your feet take care of. Give birth to the one when you know say you go fit take care of. Not go give birth to children at the end. You go start to the lament as you they lament yesterday for online. Me, I be mommy of two. Mommy of two. If I want to give birth to my third now, my daughter can take care of herself. She can wear her trousers by herself. She can wear shirt by herself. She can brush her teeth now by herself. My son, up to self, can even wear his shoe by himself. He can do a lot of things by himself. When you see when you know say your husband don't get those plans, you say your husband get this plan, God belle enter, then you leave on. When you know say you are not capable of doing all those things, why? 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 For me, that your complaint last night, it broke my heart. For me, they are your children. Gift. That lady really correct. He said people they cry. Just one. May God bless them with one child. God bless you with three. I feed my first one, I feed the second one, I feed the third one. If you come me, I can help you feel my madam. Call me. Now. Now since you born, since when you started the born, nobody to you never dey alone say nobody they take care of your child. You never they say you never dey alone. People always surround you. Now make they say live your life. In case those people don't ever depend of people. Do your things so that when those people leave you, you will be capable of doing those things. You know, broke down. Now you broke down. If you tell me about the living of Saudi for here, why you go come online and complain about your children? About the gift when God give. Now people go let's say, now God give gift. Now God do this one. No, I don't tell me that. No. Oh! As you verse, that's why I say I'll take verse for you for my life, for my video. What is that? The first time you give birth to children, when your husband say give birth to the third one, when they go Saudi Arabia, oh God, no. Let plan first. Go there, may we see. At least if nasty to know how you. Why you go they complain so bitter like that? If you complain about the living, I go understand. Your own children, when you give birth to, your children, when you give, you they complain, say you they feed your children. No people they go they feed old people for work. No people they feed all those special children. No be one, no be two, no be three. Now they will feed a day. Now their job be that. Talk of your own. No be say they go work. Some people like me when I dey Europe, if I get work today and I get 2 children, I go work. Some people they work, they get 3 children. They get how many children for this abroad? And your husband, without being told, me I not there in a house. Your husband, they are, in fact, they help you. The day when that your husband go there house, that day now come out, so now go to shopping, go carry go rest. Some people, they say who gets cap, not know how to use them. You are complaining about your children. If you don't take care of other people's children, 1, 2, 3. That all those house girls when they hire for Nigeria those days, they not be human being. No be that they take care of those your children. Talk of you when you be mother, you give birth to your child. See the way you lament yesterday. I be mom, it break my heart, my sister. I not feel like you. And if you be dynamite, you drop the comment for this my video. And you be woman for that matter. No, I will count you out. Say you not be mother, you not be human, you not be woman. How person go they complain about the children online? Yes. Me want to tell you, if I tell you my own call, sometimes this house go turn upside down, go arrange around, say, today, no, I just do one, go live one, and one go shit for grant, and one go do this, and before you go do, now so mother be. Now so mother be. If now come Nigeria, you be, maybe your husband not they capable, you be the type, you know, they see some women, I know it's not our portion, but those people won't be their portion, they not plan for it. Something can happen. Things they happen. Person wey dey work for, when my dad start to dey have children, my dad dey work for good company wey dey say dey pay am in a month, dey pay my dad 2 times in a month. But when things turn upside down, my mom go come leave the husband? No. Many people wey dey sell water for street, when you see say dey back children, some dey get house girl full everywhere before, but things turn upside down, dem strong for it. Some dey sell pure water for that Nigeria. Some dey street dey do bambiala because of the condition wey dey find theirself. You see say dey will lament, or dey will come leave those children. Why you go dey complain about your children? When the thing dey sweet, when you dey Nigeria, you no complain. You really see you bright. We when we dey abroad, na wetin we dey face be this. Now you go remember those YouTuber when they tell you say, DYNA, they really love you. Any reactor when you talk to una, una dey sit down, they no hate una. That the good part when they just see, now they just talk about. Or the bad, the things when they say, you know right, you know correct, now they talk about. They just tell una. If your supporter, if they platform, tell them say no. It tell me where. When those reactor, because that can never be reactor, never be YouTuber. I bet not be YouTuber. No, I don't know. When this lady correct you, social media, Instagram, hey, DYNA, hey, they'll bring the channel down. If not bring the person channel down, I not collect the life now. I think waiting the lady talk now say, hey, when you get the complaint yesterday, now this thing I just this flack on my hand say, wait till they hear. Am I hearing where? Am I hearing what? Now those things they ring for my head. Waiting the lady talk, you know, come to pass. Say as they attack that woman yesterday. No, you are not dynamite. If you are dynamite, sometimes I know it's not really easy. I know it's not easy at all. Sometimes, me when I talk to you, so sometimes they break down. I can't even sit down for here now. You don't even know whether I break down. But I try to control myself because I don't do social media now. I dey talk to person or I dey online. I need to control myself. They say now who talk you come out. I need to hear. I love you, my sister. I try to correct you. Okay? Person when really love you, he will correct you. If I get a youth of people, that's a youth of fans, people when love me for who I am. If I see that they clap hand for me, say back for bad, I go withdraw myself. Now the good part I go clap put. If you come across Dynamite and you DYNA video and you be Dynamite, you know correct DYNA for this thing when she do, and you clap hand put, and you are a woman, whether woman or man, you are not a real father. If you don't give birth, sometimes children go make you go gaga. Sometimes you go just be happy at this. Let me get those children at your age. See 3 beautiful children when God bless you with. You're supposed to be grateful. I know you are grateful, and you broke down. But that live stream for not doing. When you want maybe share yourself, you're not supposed to you must go watch that your video when they talk about your children. The bitter was so much. And this one I get to talk my people. I pray say if they come across this my video, may they not come for me. And if you come for me, drop comment I don't like. I will come out again. I go address that comment because we are mother. Why you come out? Come just if your children grow to me, they say, I see this video when my mom they complain about us. So bitter.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast.